Hey guys, I'm Robert with Koncept Garage, and today we are here with Jesse. He is with Rebuilding Together Austin. RTA is one of our main corporate partners, and we're excited to be working with them today to re-renovate our van. We help them with theirs, so in return they're going to be helping us with ours. We're going to have him walk us through what we're going to be doing today, and then we'll get started.
Well, I'm happy to be working with you guys. It's great that y'all were willing to partner with us, not only on a work level, but on a corporate level, support level. It's really great. So I'm looking forward to tackling this one. First of all, we're gonna gut it, take it all the way down, sort of just to what came with it when you bought it. We'll get all this tile set on the inside. It'll kind of look like that. I got tons of tools, obviously, so whatever we need, we should be good. Next thing we do, we got a little blower. You've already swept it out. We just blow it out with that giant blower. Careful with that big tool. Start taking this thing apart.
See, we just finished up with the first step. We got this big cabinet out, so you can see it really opened up the space in here. The next step is going to be getting the flooring down, and we'll come back and get the shelving that's going to store all of our fun products that we love to install for you.